Good morning, good morning, students. I am Narsimha Swami. I am from Department of Management Studies. So you have a subject from my department, uh, that is managerial economics and financial analysis. So these are two subjects. First one is managerial economics and the second one is financial analysis. So managerial economics is to this is for first to mid, and financial analysis is the for second mid. So both are different aspects of subject. So first one is that we have discussed. Uh, so managerial economics. So now I am explain the briefly this subject. So first unit is the introduction to managerial economics. In this unit we have what is the managerial economics. So managerial economics nothing but uh, microeconomics. So first of all, you know about the economics. Economics means management of economic activities. Management of economic activities. So here economics means in the Telugu, the meaning is Ardhika Shastram. Economics. Record అవుతుందా? So first of all, you know about the economics. Economics means management of economic activities. Economics means management of economic activities. So economics in Telugu, economics in Telugu is called Ardhika Shastram or Artha Shastram. Artha means money. So here we have discussed the money related activities. Money related activities. So money related activities means when you wake up in the morning and when you go to bed for sleeping. So when you start the life from morning to evening, end of the day, uh, we have conduct the number of activities by the money. So for example, when you wake up early morning, you take a brush. So brush is a not a free good. It is a money. It is the economic good. Economic good means if you want buy the brush, you should be pay the money. So here it is a money activity. And paste, next soap, creams, tiffin, food, clothes, oils, and a number of. If you want buy these stationery or products, you should pay the money. So these are called economic activities, money related activities. So in this subject we have to discuss these activities. So money related activities. So you see the first topic is nature of managerial economics. Nature of managerial managerial economics. Before that, we have discussed economics. So economics means management of economic activities. So here the economics divided to two types. The economics divided to two types. That is microeconomics and macroeconomics. So here microeconomics nothing but managerial economics. Microeconomics nothing but managerial economics. So microeconomics nothing but managed economics. So here, what are the topics discussed in the microeconomics? At the same time, we have to discuss the in the managed economics. అంటే ఇక్కడ మేనేజ్ మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్లో ఏవైతే టాపిక్స్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తామో సేమ్ మేనేజ్ ఎకనామిక్స్ కూడా అవే డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్ అండ్ మేనేజ్ ఎకనామిక్స్? So here microeconomics means 1/1000, or the microeconomics deals with individual units. Individual units or single units. For example, if you discuss about the single consumer, single person, single organization, single state, single country. So when you discuss about the only single units, it is related to microeconomics. Here, microeconomics nothing but managerial economics. So what is the difference between micro and managerial? So here, only you study the theories in the microeconomics, but in the managerial economics, we have to apply these principles in the business environment. So, for example, you study the physics and the subject, you learn the lessons in the classrooms, and you go to lab and apply these principles practically. At the same time, here you learn the topics from the microeconomics. So when you learn these principles, you will apply the company or business. So here, here you know about the subject practically. So here we are calling the managerial economics. Managerial economics. So ఇక్కడ మనం మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్ అంటే మనం థియరీస్ చదువుతాం. మేనేజర్ ఎకనామిక్స్ అంటే మనం చదువుకున్న థియరీస్ని కంపెనీలో లేదా బిజినెస్లో అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. అందుకని దీన్ని ఇక్కడ మేనేజరల్ ఎకనామిక్స్ అన్నాం. సో మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్ అన్న మేనేజరల్ ఎకనామిక్స్ అన్న బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. దెర్ ఇస్ నో డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ మైక్రో అండ్ మ్యాక్రో. సో ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఎకనామిక్స్ని మనం 2 టైప్స్గా డివిజన్ చేస్తాం, మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్ అండ్ మ్యాక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్. మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్ మీన్స్ it deals with individual units. Individual units means single units. For example, you discuss about the single consumer, single student, one college, one state. So here you take the single unit. So that belongs to microeconomics. So macroeconomics, it deals with national level or aggregate. Aggregate means total గా డిస్కస్ చేస్తే macroeconomics. Single గా డిస్కస్ చేస్తే microeconomics. For example, in the classroom we have 60 members. So you discuss about single students marks. So it belongs to microeconomics. If you talk about total students marks, it belongs to macroeconomics. That is difference. Micro ante single units gurinchi discuss chestundi, macro ante total units gurinchi discuss chestundi. Okay na? If you, for example, if you take the forest, you discuss about the one tree, that belongs to micro. If you discuss about total forest, it belongs to macroeconomics. For example, you discuss about the Andhra Pradesh government, that is belongs to micro. You discuss about the all states in our country, that belongs to macroeconomics. Okay. So first of all, you know about the economics. Economics means management of economic activities. Already we discussed it. Okay, management of economic activities. Telugu vachesi ఆర్థిక కార్యకలాపాల నిర్వహణ. ఆర్థిక కార్యకలాపాల నిర్వహణ. ఆర్థిక means money. So when you discuss about the money related activities is called economics. So here in the organization we have to so many money related activities, that is demand, supply, cost, price, market, distribution. These are belongs to business activities. So here we discuss about the these activities. Okay. So in the first unit, we have to discuss about the what is the managerial economics, what is the nature of managerial economics, and what is scope of managerial economics. So this is the first topic. What is the managerial economics, nature of the managerial economics, and the scope of the managerial economics. So here, what is the managerial economics means? Managerial economics means management of economics. Managerial economics means management of economics. What is the economics? Economics means management of economic activities. So simple, small difference. Managerial economics ante first మనకి economics అంటే ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం? Economics means management of economic activities. Economics means management of economic activities. సో మనం ఏవైతే ఎకనామిక్ యాక్టివిటీస్ గురించి చదువుకున్నామో వాటిని బిజినెస్లో అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. అందుకని ఇక్కడ మేనేజరల్ ఎకనామిక్స్ మీన్స్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎకనామిక్స్. ఎకనామిక్స్లో ఏవైతే మనం థియరీస్ నేర్చుకున్నామో వాటిని మేనేజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. వేర్ ఇన్ ద బిజినెస్. సో బిజినెస్ లో అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. అందుకనే మేనేజర్ ఎకనామిక్స్ మీన్స్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎకనామిక్స్. క్లియర్? ఓకే. సో we have another definition of managerial economics, that is managerial economics means the economics principles applying in the business environment is called managerial economics. The economics principles applying in the business environment is called managerial economics. What are the economics principles? The economic principles are the economic principles are, that means principles means here theories, economics theories, that is consumption, consumer, exchange, consumption, consumer, exchange, demand, supply, production, cost, profit, market, distribution. So these are related to economics theories. So these theories applying in the business, that is called managerial economics. Once again repeat, the economics principles applying in the business environment is called managerial economics. Okay, next, nature of managerial economics. Here nature of managerial economics means what is behavior means దాని స్వభావం ఎలా ఉంటుంది. సో దాంట్లో దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ నేచర్ ఆఫ్ managerial economics. The first side ending is managerial. It is very close to microeconomics. The managerial economics very close to microeconomics. So already I said to you, the economics divided into two types, that is microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics nothing but managerial economics. So what are topics discussed in the microeconomics? At the same time, here also we discuss the microeconomics. My, the the microeconomics theories discussed in the managerial economics. So both are same. There is no difference between మైక్రో అండ్ మ్యాక్రో. మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్ లో ఏవైతే థియరీస్ చదువుతామో సేమ్ మేనేజర్ ఎకనామిక్స్ కూడా చదువుతాం. మరి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎందుకు అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్ లో థియరీస్ గా చదువుతాము, మేనేజర్ ఎకనామిక్స్ లో మనం అప్లై చేస్తాం, ప్రాక్టికల్ గా నేర్చుకుంటాం. అంటే if you take any decision, what is the result? For example, in the microeconomics we have a demand theory. What is the demand? So we study the you learn the what is the demand, how to increase, how to decrease, we are studying. But in the managed economics, if we want increase our demand means our product demand, how to take a decision, how to make a decision in the organization. So you apply the demand principles in the organization. Is it clear? ఓకే, మనం మైక్రో ఎకనామిక్స్ లో డిమాండ్ గురించి చదువుతాం. మేనేజర్ ఎకనామిక్స్ లో వచ్చేసరికి డిమాండ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకోవడం కోసం మనం ఏం అప్లై చేయాలి, అప్లై చేస్తే ఎటువంటి రిజల్ట్ మనకు వస్తుంది, ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందా, డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుందా, పాజిటివ్